We'll guide you through how to make a poster in Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the video to Pauser, who's going to continue.
Just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and then just go ahead and search for canva.com and then press enter. And now you should land in this interface. Here, make sure you are already signed in with your account, or if you don't have an account, just go ahead and create one. It's free. After creating your account, in here you will see a dozen of design category. So just go ahead and click on poster if you are creating a poster, and then you will see these posters template that are ready for you to use. Now here is something important to know. Some template have a small crown icon in the corner, and as you can see here, this is the particular crown icon that I'm talking about. That crowns means it is a premium template available only with a paid account. Ignore those for now and focus on regular template without crown. There are more than enough free options for any project. So if you want a specific style quickly, you can just go ahead and use the search bar. For example, if you are creating a concert poster, just go to your search bar and then just go ahead and search for concert and press enter. And now you can see the posters that are ready for you to use. So once you find a template that you like, just go ahead and click on it. So let's say I want to recreate this particular poster. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. And now you should see this option here. You can choose to click on customize this template. This opens the full editor, and this takes you into the Canva design interface where all the magic happens. Now you are in the workspace. You can see the template on the canvas ready to be edited. Everything here is completely customizable, and then nothing is locked in one place. You have full control over every element. So start by adding text. So just go ahead and double click on any text to select it. So let's say I want to type something like GuideRealm got talent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and double click on the text, and then here you can see now I can start typing my text, and now you can see it is saying GuideRealm got talent. Similarly, you can replace the heading, change the date, update the location, and rewrite any description. The text automatically fits into the box, so you don't need to worry about manual formatting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change my text, and as you can see I made it 2026. And now let's customize color and graphics. If the template has illustration of icons, let's go ahead and click on them. So let's say I want to change the color for this. I'll just go ahead and select it. And now let's say I want to change the color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change the color by just clicking on them. And then let's say I want to make it somewhat reddish. I'm just gonna select that color, and you'll see that part will be successfully selected. And you can change the color to your liking just like that. Now here, let's say I want to change this particular text. I'm just gonna go ahead and double click on it and write something like subscribe. After that, you can even resize individual icons. So let's say I want to resize this particular icon. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it, and then you will see these 4 handles. You can just left click and drag to increase the size to your liking, just like so. So let's say I want to place it something around here, and you can see now it is successfully done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a little smaller. Now let's say I want to upload another image in this particular template. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to uploads, and here you should be able to see all of your upload. You can just go ahead and click on upload file to upload any files from your device directly. So let's say I want to add this particular logo. I will select it, and then I'm just gonna resize it to my liking, just like that, and then reposition it to anywhere that I want. And also I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this text. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add our website, and it will be added just like that. And I will make this text a bit bigger so it's easier for us to see, and then place it somewhere around the bottom. And now you can see it is looking much better. You can even replace this text. You can just go ahead and select it and press the delete key on the keyboard to delete it successfully. And then if you want to undo, just press Ctrl and Z. So let's say I want to add another image. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the image that I want to add. And then now I can resize it to my liking, just like that. And now you can see it is looking much better. Now if an image needs cropping to remove unwanted part or focus on a specific area, you can just select that particular image and go to top and choose crop. And now you can just crop it to your liking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crop just like that, and then click on done, and it will be successfully cropped. As you design, remember that simplicity works best. A cluttered poster is hard to read from a distance, so stick to 2 or 3 font maximum, and as mixing 2 font creates visual chaos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it look more good, and you can even change any font to your liking. So let's say I want to change this particular font. I'm just gonna go ahead and double click on it to select all. After that, just go to the top and then click on font, and then from here you can choose any font that you want. So you can scroll down, and let's say I want to go with this particular font. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it, and now you can see it will be successfully added. You can also add any element to your liking. So just go to the element at the left hand side, and then here just go ahead and search for your element. So for example, let's say I want to go with something like cat. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and search it, and then you can add any element to your liking. You can even add 3D element by just clicking and dragging into your canvas just like so, and then they will be successfully added. And once your poster looks exactly how you want it, you can save and download it. Click at the share button at the top right, and then from here just go ahead and select the option for download, and then you can click on the drop down for file type and make sure it is set to PNG for high quality printing. PNG preserves your design perfectly for print. Now you can just go ahead and click on download, and then it will successfully start downloading. So I'm just gonna wait for the download to complete. And now you can see the download has been successfully completed. So now let's open it. And you can see here it has been successfully done and it is looking good. And that's the complete process of creating a poster in Canva. You have thousands of templates to choose from, unlimited customization option, and the ability to upload your own image, and free access to millions of design elements. And that's basically it.